Hello, my name is Stéphane Vignier and I'm the Geo-Market Manager for Russia Land.
Shlumberger's long and rich history in Russia began in 1929 with a contract with the Soviet government. In 1932, we entered into a 5-year joint venture with the government. Returning to Russia in 1991, Shlumberger was the first Western company to perform well logging at the Vreganskoye and Tagrinskoye fields in Western Siberia.
Over the past 20 years, Shlumberger's strategy has been to invest in the Russian people, in the Russian technology, and into the Russian infrastructure.
Today, our operational footprint spans all of the major oil and gas regions. We employ about 14,000 people. 96% of them are Russian, working in 137 locations, including operational bases, engineering and manufacturing centers, a research center in Moscow, and a product development center in Novosibirsk. More than half of our employees work for the companies which we have acquired. Most of these companies are manufacturing and service companies that have long histories of cooperation with almost all of the national and international oil and gas companies operating in the Russian Federation. These acquired companies have enabled us to expand our market and customer base for all Shlumberger services. In turn, Shlumberger gained access to technologies that were fit for purpose for Russian customers and met local requirements. Fundamental to our merger and acquisition strategy in Russia is our desire to pursue convergence rather than integration as we bring Russian companies into Shlumberger.
I think it is very critical to preserve their identity, their brand names, and their local Russian faces to the market. We're not blindly applying our standards. We're making our processes and our technologies available only if it will further enhance the market position of the acquired company.
This approach has created a strong, fit-for-purpose local portfolio that offers a wide footprint and deployment mechanism for high-end technologies from our global product lines. Petro Alliance, a well-known brand on the Russian oil field services market for more than 15 years, the company was acquired by SLB in 2006. At the time, the company provided a range of wireline and well construction services, together with drilling and workover rigs. In 2011, Petro Alliance sold drilling rigs to Eurasia Drilling Company, the largest drilling contractor in Russia today, in return for their well construction service company and a preferred supplier agreement for more than 200 Eurasia rigs in Russia. The newly formed Petro Alliance now provides the following services: measurement while drilling, directional drilling, cementing services, and drilling fluids. Last year, Petro Alliance began to develop 2 new business lines: motors and drill bits in cooperation with other Shlumberger segments producing radius and Smith bits. Today, Petro Alliance is one of the largest contractors on the Russian high-volume market. More than 2,400 employees, more than 10,000 operations annually, more than 100 measurement while drilling and directional drilling crews using EMAG channel and Mud Plus tools, more than 60 cementing fleets, more than 150 drilling fluids engineers.
For instance, Shlumberger cementing fleets in Timano-Petchura and in Western Siberia were merged with Petro Alliance. And Petro Alliance today has over 60 fleets and is the largest cementing provider in Russia. PetroSteam was created in 2012 as a merger of Shlumberger fracturing fleets and Petro Alliance fracturing fleet. As a result, it is now the largest fracturing company in Russia with over 17 fleets.
The main objective of the merger was to create a new, lean fracturing company adapted to the Russian high-volume market. PetroSteam key facts: more than 1,000 employees, 14 fracturing fleets and 3 acid fleets, 9 bases, West and Central divisions, client support laboratory, over 1,800 jobs in 2012 for more than 20 clients, local manufacturing of some frac equipment. PetroSteam offers all types of well stimulation services, propellant fracturing, acid treatments, high pressure pumping, etc. and is positioned as a new technology leader in Russia. First refracturing applications with highway. 25% of the Russian multi-stage fracturing stimulation market. A leader in the penetration of unconventional shale oil reservoirs with major Russian operators. Currently, Petrostim is the largest well stimulation company in Russia. Tumen-Promgeofizika, TPG, is a conglomerate of 3 companies acquired by Shlumberger in Russia in 2007.
Tumen-Promgeofizika, TPG, is the largest independent wireline company in Russia, with over 140 wireline units and 60 mud logging units.
It is also the most advanced geophysics company in Russia in the field of open hole logging. Key facts about TPG in 2013. 1,900 employees, 140 wireline logging units, and 60 mud logging stations, 25,000 operations. TPG uses equipment such as trucks, tools, and perforating guns produced by Shlumberger companies in Russia. TPG outperforms all of its Russian competitors in the following technologies: Mega 3 73mm tool string, Russian HRLA high-resolution lateral log array tool, an option within the Mega 3 tool string. PLT06 production log tool 06 for measuring the volume content of fluids in the cross-section of the wellbore. Use of high-quality perforating systems made by Shlumberger in Russia at competitive prices, and use of Shlumberger Petrophysics software products. Tumen Wireline Equipment Engineering and Manufacturing Center, TOEZGP, was acquired by Shlumberger in 2007. The factory is a key player in Russia in terms of the technology of its tools and equipment for wireline logging in oil and gas wells. Core products: surface and downhole tools designed for wireline logging and well perforating equipment, wireline trucks and helicopter transported wireline skid units, labs and dog houses, control units for logging, mud logging, and cementing. One of our most competitive high-tech solutions in high-volume logging is the Mega 3 downhole string that includes sonic, induction, and high-end resolution slim lateral log array models. Mega 3 technology does not have a competitive equivalent in Russia. New marketable technologies that the center's engineering and trial program is now focusing on includes wireline unit for high-tier logging, lightweight wireline module, Russia, drill pipe conveyed memory tool string on Mega 3 platform, development of production logging technology for low-rate horizontals. Tumen Pumps Shlumberger, TPS, was founded in 2006. It is one of Shlumberger's 3 pump production centers. The plant employs 180 skilled professionals and offers 4 main product lines. REDA, high-performance, high-tier units for operating in severe conditions. TPS line, focused on the high-volume market, fit for purpose. It was developed especially for the Russian market, from Russia, for Russia. Easy line, mid-tier units at mid-price level. REDA HPS, horizontal pumping system for reservoir pressure maintenance system. Service Center EPU was founded in September 1998 as an artificial lift service company. In 2006, it became a part of Shlumberger. Service Center EPU is the largest service department for this segment in the world. The company provides the following services: ESP lease. SCEPU is a pioneer of the ESP lease business in Russia. Today, the lease shop continues to strengthen the position of the artificial lift segment in the equipment service and lease market. More than 3,400 wells belonging to 13 customers within a radius of about 1,000 kilometers are now in operation under 24-hour supervision. Maintenance and capital repair of local and foreign ESP systems. The equipment repaired ranges from A to M series with an external diameter from 85 to 220 millimeters and 103 millimeters, 117 millimeters, and 130 millimeter motors. Cable repair.
Shlumberger started to work with radios in 2000. In 2005, we bought a 40% stake and we acquired the remaining share in 2012.
Today, the company employs more than 1,100 people, has a large production base with state-of-the-art equipment, and is recognized as a leading manufacturer of cutting-edge products for oil companies and drilling contractors. The positive displacement motor is one of the company's key product lines, with an output of up to 100 motors and power sections every month. Other radius service products include jars, shock tools, drill stem elements, core barrels, and whipstocks. Thousands of horizontal wells, directional wells, and sidetracks have been drilled in Russia with downhole tools made by Radius Service. One of the major aspects of the company's business is its chain of service centers in oil field locations throughout Russia and the CIS. Through its service centers, the company not only rents out and maintains its own fleet of downhole tools, but also offers inspection and repair of customer-owned products. Only highly qualified personnel handle all types of work. Production of Shlumberger perforating systems in Russia was launched in 2005 on the basis of two product centers. Ufa Product Center in Stolita-Mak, which manufactures Shlumberger-shaped charges, and Tyumen Product Center in Tyumen, which is a manufacturing plant for Shlumberger perfo guns. Both product centers are reliable suppliers of products which are characterized by safety and reliability, unique design and strict requirements in terms of quality of materials eliminate human error and technical failure of the product. Quality, guaranteed by the latest equipment, quality management system, and lean processes, ensuring that the product is certified to local, US, and European standards. Competitive price, achieved by fit-for-purpose production, sourcing of up to 96% of raw materials locally, and efficient logistics, including our own special purpose vehicles and distribution centers.
The first company that we acquired was Geofit in 2002. Geofit provides the leading electromagnetic telemetry system in Russia.
Geofit has been producing oil field equipment in Russia for 35 years. In 2010, a new generation SIB system was launched into mass production. This system boasts excellent technical and economic performance in the Russian market. Other Geofit solutions include CUB, a drilling control system intended to display and record the status of drilling processes. GeoBay software for operational support centers, an application that collects data from drilling rigs and provides access to real-time information in the office, as well as hook load, traveling block position, and rotary speed sensors. Pump stroke counters, rig monitors, and pipe screens to support drilling and measurement in Russia.
We're not blindly applying our standards. We're making our processes and our technologies available only if it will further enhance the market position of the acquired company. I think that the future of Shlumberger in Russia land relies heavily on the acquired company. Take the Bazhenov fields, for instance, which are estimated to be 5 times the size of the Bakken Shale in the United States. Massive multi-stage fracking and horizontal drilling campaigns will be necessary to make the Bazhenov economical. Today, the typical well cost in the Bazhenov is around $10 million, and it will not be economical even if the mineral extraction tax or the export duty tax are set at zero. I truly believe that the acquired companies are best positioned to bring an affordable, reliable, and efficient solution to the development of the Bayesian information. We can already see the trend now. In 2013, the acquired companies have grown more than 26%, which is faster than the rig count growth and than the traditional blue segment. I'm very proud of working with the acquired companies. I'm very proud of our people, and I'm very proud of our technologies. The acquired companies are bringing a new strength to Shlumberger. I'm very optimistic about their future, and I welcome you all to join us for business. Thank you.